Pre-open rates, this is not exactly in line with what SGX was indicating, but a start above 6,000 plus for the Nifty nevertheless. HCL Technologies, that is the big story, that is the big number. 30 rupees up for HCL Technologies. You know, this stock has now made strong delivery more like an habit now. Their Q1 numbers were strong, their Q4 numbers were strong. For FY13, their entire financials so far this year, they have been rock solid. 699 rupees, 698 rupees now for HCL Technologies. Reliance Industries yesterday was the biggest gainer on the Sensex. It has added another 4 rupees. State Bank of India is correcting 2430. Whereas Suzlon, well, that CDR news for sure will help that stock, and that news is helping the stock. 20 rupees, almost 20 rupees for Suzlon. Oil prices are at a 4-month high. What is happening to oil marketing stocks? HPCL, BPCL and IOC. Oil marketing stocks are holding on, but bear in mind, oil marketing stocks as a group, they had corrected yesterday. Of course, there is a buzz that the cabinet could consider a diesel price hike soon. That's just a buzz. And the problem with some of these stocks is that more than absolute fundamental performance is buzz, expectations of a fuel price hike, and a possible solution on subsidy. These are possible triggers which always inject volatility in some of these stocks. The breadth of the market is looking okay. The number of gainers are outnumbering the number of losers, but in terms of a leadership, it is HCL Technologies on the way.
Yes, and clearly IT continues to be the flavor of the day. Thanks to HCL Technologies, we've got Infi, Wipro, all these earnings or other stocks are holding out very well in trade. HCL Technologies indeed is the one which is reacting to its earnings. And like we were chatting earlier with our experts, it doesn't quite seem that the management rejig at the top has really affected the stock price. Continues to deliver strong performance. In fact, the mid-cap IT space as well is looking pretty strong. I want to see what HCL Technologies, or rather what Bajaj Hero MotoCorp is doing ahead of its earnings. Hero MotoCorp will just come up for you on your screens next. That is going a little soft. Bajaj Auto, we saw what the company actually did in yesterday's session and how the stock reacted to its earnings. There had been an export dip, which is what didn't go down well with the street in yesterday's session, but today the street seems to be negating it all. 2100 plus levels is where Bajaj Auto is currently in trade. SR Ports, Exide Industries, those are going to be very important earnings to watch out for. Federal Bank are your other earnings which are slated to come out today. Suzlon, like Nikunj just pointed out, that's getting a thumbs up from equities. Scooters India, and it seems like the cabinet has got the revival of this particular company on its agenda today. Watch out for this stock as well. You've also got Axis Bank, which again continues to be in news on account of their $1 billion share sale. Axis is currently soft in trade. Whole host of result reactions. TTK Prestige, Bajaj Holdings, you've got Tin Plates, Somani Ceramics as well. Some of these small cap names have come out with their earnings. Bajaj Holdings, though, is going good by about 0.5%. That's the one which is looking good. TTK Prestige is the other one which should come up for you on your screens as well. Let's see what that is doing. DLF is now looking to sell their wind energy business for a sum total of 900 crore rupees. This is something that the Economic Times reported this morning. DLF is marginally up in the green after the recent run-up that the stock has seen. The Coal Ministry has now taken back the ACC mine. That again, some of the newspaper reports are indicating this morning. And Unilever has put a few of its residential flats in Mumbai again for sale. This seems like an annual thing with the company. More importantly, Mumbai Airport is now going to levy UDF come February 1st. So some of these companies as well are going to be in focus.